Hey, what's up, everyone? It is TechWares. Today is December 31st, 2024. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 50 series or 5000 series, 5090 and 5080 expected pricing surfaces online. The flagship 5090 is rumored to cost $2,600. Yes, this is the title of this article, and yes, this is just based off rumors, leaks, and just, not official information. So the 5090, $2,600, and the 5080, rumored to be $1,370. These are the prices of course, the flagship GPUs. Of course, we don't know if there's going to be a 5080 Ti. I'm pretty sure there will. We don't know if there's going to be a 5090 Ti. I'm not sure there will be for that one. So this article is from WCCF Tech, and they just compiled an article based on leaks out there from Twitter and just other places on the internet. So these prices. I believe they're in Chinese. They're Chinese prices, and they just converted it to USD. All right. So if these are the real prices, of course, we won't know until CES 2025, which is actually next week. No, actually, is it next week? Yeah, no, it's on Sunday, I think. Sunday or Monday. So yeah, next week, CES 2025, NVIDIA is set to announce the new generation graphics card based on the Blackwell architecture. That's when NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang is supposed to announce the new GPUs. And I put together this little page right here just to show you the comparisons. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series versus the RTX 40 series. All right, the specs, pricing, and release date comparison. Though highlighted in yellow are the new GPUs, new GPU models. So the 4090, it launched at 1,600, all right, MSRP, and that is in USD. That was October 12th, 2022. 4080 launched at 1,200 MSRP. That was November of 2022. And as you can see, 5090 rumored to be around 2,600 and 5080 rumored to be around 1,370. The release date, the announcement date, is CES 2025. And the 5090 comes with TGP, total graphics power, 600 watt, 5080, 400 watt. It's an increase from the previous generation, of course. 5090 rumored to be around 32 gigs VRAM of GDDR7, and the 5080 16 gigs, which is it's kind of weird. You would think the 5080 would be 24 gigs, since the 5090 was 24 gigs. However, the 5090 and the 50 series did use GDDR6X, which is, I believe, from Micron. So the CUDA cores, based on leaks and rumors, while the RTX 40 series CUDA cores, of course, that are confirmed since it's been released. So what do you guys think of these prices, man? Honestly, I think these prices are ridiculous, man. I would, even if I had the money, even if I had like disposable money, I wouldn't purchase these GPUs. $1,000. I'm not spending more than $300 on a GPU. That is just me personally. Gaming I'm a gamer. Gaming for me is just a hobby. Now, if you need a 5090 or 5080 or these crazy expensive GPUs for work or for school, then I understand, because that is a need But if you're a gamer, gaming is not your job. You don't do gaming as a career, and you're just a casual gamer that you just play games to have fun, which is like me, then a GPU is a want. It's not a need. That means I'm going to purchase a GPU that I can game on 1440p, 60 FPS. I can come home from work, game a little bit, and carry on with my life and spend money and use money for more important stuff in life. Medical emergencies, vacations, family things, car, insurance, rent, groceries. These things are more important than gaming. And I think as a gamer, why would you get a 5090 that is supposedly going to be rumored around $2,600? That is insane. That is actually insane. And here's also the other thing. Games these days, PC gaming specifically, this is what I'm talking about. AAA PC gaming these days, while they are more graphically demanding because they use the latest technology, the latest engines, they're more demanding on your hardware. They're releasing and they're unoptimized. They're releasing and they're just bad. I mean, look at 2024. Look at all the AAA games that came out in 2024. And you know what here? You know what? Not 2024, but I'll use like Cyberpunk, for example. Before Cyberpunk launched, there were people that were building new PCs and buying the latest and greatest parts and putting them together so they can play Cyberpunk. And then when Cyberpunk released, it was an unoptimized mess. It ran poorly. It had so many issues, and these people that put these PCs together for so many thousands of dollars were like, what the hell? And then months and years later on, the game finally got to a milestone where it was actually running good. But by the time it got to that point, the hardware that these people bought, the price went down for the hardware. Of course, prices go down as time goes by. So they pretty much wasted all this money getting all this bleeding edge hardware to play a game that was a broken mess on launch, and then years later on became finally like decently playable, performance wise. So that is the thing with PC gaming, man. You don't need the latest and greatest and thousands of dollars worth of hardware to have fun as a gamer. $300, $400 maximum on a graphics card, and you'll be good. 1080p gaming is still pretty good. Is actually good. 1440p gaming is great. 1440p gaming at 60 FPS, perfect. Honestly, especially if you're a casual gamer. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think of these prices. These rumored prices, of course, they're not official. So we'll have to wait and see till next week for the official information, prices, announce a release date, specs, and everything to go with it. Take care, everyone. Peace. Hope you guys have a great new year and even better 2025.